like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper sword. So let's get started. First we will take this yellow color paper and fold it in half. Open it and fold these lines till this line. Flip it and again fold it till the middle line. Now take glue and stick this like this way. And this part also. And again fold it. And stick it. And press it tightly. So it will look like this way. Let's take scissor and cut your triangle. Here I taken one stick and insert it here like this way and press it. Now let's keep it aside and take this paper and cut one strip. And wrap this paper around this stick like this way. And cut this excess part and stick it. Here I have taken a rectangular paper, fold it in half, open it and fold it like this way from both the sides. And fold it. And fold it in half. And cut slightly from here. So I have cut it. And fold it and insert it. And fold it. And stick this part. Now do it like this one. And stick this. and our sword is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.